So to make honey chili potato, the cook is taking 100 grams of corn flour and 50 grams of white flour, that is called maida in Hindi. And we are here at Govinda's Veg Street in Mumbai. Now he's added a little water. The cook is adding the cook has added half cup of water and mixing it well with his hands. So you have to make a paste. This will give a crispy touch to the honey chili potato. You have to mix the batter slowly to avoid lumps. And now we see the cook will be adding a little more water to smoothen up the batter. And then for the seasoning, he has added half TSP of aromat powder and salt, and half TSP, that is half tablespoon of white pepper. The cook is saying irrespective it will take time to mix the batter, but keep it very smooth and consistent so that your honey chili potato is very crispy and up to the mark. There you go, the batter is ready, and now we are moving towards step 2, where we'll be adding the potato fries in the batter to make it very crispy. Basically we'll be making French fries. So now he has dipped the potato in the batter and he's mixing it again with very soft hands. There you can see. Keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing, and then deep fry the same. So friends and viewers, it's very important that you're making these potato fries on a medium flame. You don't have to keep it too low. You don't have to keep the flame too high. Deep fry your potato until brown. And now we'll be moving towards the final step. Thank you so much for all the love you've been given, and I want to thank the cook that he's sharing this amazing recipe. And you can also try these fries if you don't want to make a honey chili potato. So we now know how restaurants make crispy and crunchy French fries. Very important that please do share this recipe and keep it on your WhatsApp status and spread the good word about our channel. And here we go, crispy crunchy French fries in your kitchen from Govinda's Veg Street. So round 1 is over. That's the French fries are ready, and now we will be moving towards round 2. This is the final round. Don't skip. First we see he's greasing the wok. 2 tablespoons of oil. And here we see the cook has added 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger. And now he has added onion. You can take 1 piece of onion. And now we see the cook adding red, yellow and green bell pepper. Saute the veggies just for a while. And And now we see the cook is adding 1 teaspoon of green chili paste. You can add more green chili paste if you want it more spicier. You can watch all our recipes in Hindi on our channel, My Kind of Productions. And as he's sauteing the veggies, he's adding more water. Around half cup of water has been added. And now the cook has added 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. If you want it more spicy, you can add more chili sauce. And here we see he's adding soya sauce, and that's 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. And now we see the cook is adding 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce. So the honey chili potato is looking kind of spicy, but to cool things off, now the cook is adding half cup of honey. Oh yeah, honey chili potato. And now the cook has added a pinch of aromat powder, that's a taste maker, or you can also add any seasoning. You can use Maggi seasoning instead of aromat powder. Now he had added a pinch of salt and white pepper, pinch of white pepper. Guys, one alert, you need to be careful because there's already soya sauce in it, so add salt accordingly. It shouldn't be very salty or very sour. And now the cook is adding corn flour water, that's corn flour mixed in cold water, little, 1 tablespoon of corn flour water, just to thicken up the gravy. And now he is adding the fried potatoes, or you can call them the French fries. And toss it, roast it, cook it for a while. Add more corn flour water, a dash of corn flour water, just to make it more thicker. And then he's added green chili, spring onion green. And there you go, our honey chili potato is ready. I had a very hot and spicy experience with this honey chili potato, and I'm sure you will love it. Anyone and everyone in your house will love it. Just go for it. And if you don't want to stress that out, just make French fries and enjoy.